Hi guys, JS Rail Fan 2001. Today this is a private road crossing in Oceanside, California by Interstate 5. I hope to real fan on this, but you can't. This is private road crossing. San Diego Freeway. I don't know what the street was the name of it. Looks like is this crossing signals. They shuffled it up. One is the east side, and the down is the south. This road. That street, I forgot the name of it, but I cannot real find on this. Doesn't have no street names. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you can find my videos to subscribe. Enjoy the videos. Subscribe.